Hello and welcome everyone in today's video. Students, we are going to learn today fifth lesson from vocabulary. It is similes. What means simile? See, a simile is a group of words that shows a comparison. What is simile? A group of words. Group of words means some words that shows comparison that are called simile. Similes also make one's language in writing or speaking beautiful and expressive. Means similes make a language in writing also, in speaking also. How? Beautiful and expressive. Means if you use simile in the sentence or in language, the language will be beautiful and expressive. Similes usually have the structure as or like. Means in simile, mostly in that example of the simile, what we find as or like. Means these two words are used in the simile. For example, you can see here one example first given. My grandmother is as busy as a bee even at this age. Now, as busy as a bee. This group of words, it is called simile. And in this you can see as this word is used. As shows a what here? Comparison. If you see second example, the soldier fought like a lion. Fought like a lion. This is called simile. It is a group of words means only simile. And in this sentence, like this word, it shows the simile. How the soldier fought like a lion. Means soldier is compared with the lion. And for that which word use? Like. Is like shows the simile. Next, third example, she is looking as fresh as a desi. Now, desi means what? A small plant that has flowers. Now, as fresh as a desi, this is called simile. And the girl, she is looking as fresh as a desi, means here girl is compared with the desi. Desi look fresh, in that way that girl also look fresh. And in this as word is used. As shows the comparison. In short, simile is a group of words that shows a comparison. And to show the comparison, which words are used? As and like. We will solve the exercise. Complete these comparisons first. As sly as a fox. Now, sly means what? Cunning, tricky. Means fox is tricky. So, here simile is there what? As sly as a fox. Second example, as proud as a peacock. Means this group of word as proud as a peacock, it is called simile. Next, third, as wise as a owl. Owl is what? Wise. So here it is compared as wise as a owl. Fourth, as slow as a turtle. Now turtle means tortoise. Now tortoise, it moves slow. So what is used here? As slow as a turtle. Next, fifth, as thin as rail. Rail means what? Bar. Now thin bar is there. The bars are thin. So how it is wrote simile? As thin as a rail. Next, C, 6, as cold as a ice. How is the ice? Cold. So how it is wrote? As cold as a ice. 7th, as old as the hills. Now hills are old, from many days they are. So what simile is used? As old as the hills. Next, 8th, as pretty as a picture. Now picture, you can see picture is pretty, beautiful. So what simile is used here? As pretty as a picture. Next, 9th, as light as a feather. Now feather, you know, feather about the birds, it is light, means without weight. Less weight it is. So it is wrote simile as light as a feather. And 10th one, as hot as a furnace. Now furnace means what? Oven, or that bhatti we say in Marathi. And it is hot. So what is wrote here simile? As hot as a furnace. These all examples are of simile, means they are the group of words and they express what? Comparison. And to show the comparison, which words are used? Like or as. In this example, as is used. In above examples, like is used to show the comparison. I hope everyone understood this topic. Today's homework, students, you have to copy these given answers in book and you have to read page number 85.